Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll show you how to optimize the SEO of your YouTube posts and schedule a video for later. Let's get started. Now that we've introduced the topic, let's dive in. First, we'll create a ChatGPT profile. I'll walk you through the steps, starting with searching for ChatGPT in your browser, then clicking Start Now. From there, we'll go ahead and sign up by creating a new account. Put here your Gmail. Create a password. Use a strong password. Now your password is strong. Let's continue. Save your account. It's time to verify my Gmail account, so now open your Gmail inbox which Gmail you used. Find the message from chat and open this. Click on Verify Email Address. Rate your name and birthday. Once we've set up the ChatGPT profile, let's head back to YouTube Studio. I'll upload a new video along with a custom thumbnail to make it stand out. Let me show you step by step how it's done. Next, I'll go back to ChatGPT to generate a catchy and optimized title for my video. After that, I'll simply copy the generated title and paste it into the title section on YouTube. Let's see how it works. Describe your video content and ask for video title. Copy this title and paste YouTube Studio. Now that we have the title, let's generate a detailed description for the video using ChatGPT. I'll take the generated text and paste it into the video description section on YouTube. This will help viewers understand the content better and improve SEO. Check if this description is appropriate or not. ChatGPT can provide content in various languages, such as Hindi, English, Bengali, etc. Copy this description if everything is okay, and paste it on YouTube Studio. After generating the description, I asked ChatGPT for some additional title suggestions to improve SEO. It even provided relevant hashtags, which I can add to the description to boost visibility. Let me show you how to incorporate them effectively. Let's ask for 20 titles to optimize the SEO of your YouTube video post. Copy the useful titles and paste them into the video description. Ask for some hashtags that I can put in my video description. Tell ChatGPT to provide hashtags in paragraph format to make copying and pasting easier. Copy the hashtags and paste them into your video description. Adjust your video description if needed. Back in YouTube Studio, I'll go ahead and set up all the necessary options for the video. First, I'll mark it as not for kids to ensure the appropriate audience sees it. Now, let's switch back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate some relevant tags for the video. These tags will help improve discoverability on YouTube. Copy and paste the tags one by one. If we try to copy all the tags and paste them on YouTube, it won't work. So copy all tags one by one. Do change if needed. Next, I'll set the video language, specify the recording date and time, and choose the video location. These details help YouTube categorize and suggest the video to the right audience. After everything is done, click on Next. No need to change here. If you have end screen custom subtitles, you should add. Here, YouTube checks if there are any copyright issues. You can see, no copyright issues found. So now click on Next. Select your desired date and time for uploading your video. It will be uploaded automatically at the scheduled time. If you're done setting it up, click on Schedule. Uploaded complete. This video will publish the given date and time. Till the video pivot. Now I will show you a new technique to generate image by using ChatGPT. It's really interesting technique. Just tell GPT to provide me a logo or image and give him some additional hints to get exact picture. Wow! Look, chat, provide me an interesting image, now ask for a banner. Banner is also nice. You can use this pictures. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay connected for more interesting videos coming your way.